Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to set social media limit on iPhone. To set social media limits on iPhone, follow these easy steps. Open Settings. Tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Screen Time. Scroll down and tap Screen Time to access usage controls. Enable screen time if not already on. If screen time is disabled, tap Turn on screen time. Then choose This is my iPhone or This is my child's iPhone. Tap on App Limits. Under the Screen Time menu, tap App Limits to set restrictions on app usage. Add a new limit. Tap Add Limit, then choose Social under the app categories. Alternatively, tap the drop-down menu of Social. Choose specific social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Then hit Next. Set the time limit. Choose how long you want to allow social media use per day. For example, like 1 hour. Tap Customize Days if you want different limits for different days. Then go back. Enable Block at End of Limit. Toggle Block at End of Limit if you want the apps to be inaccessible after the time expires. Tap Add to save the limit. Once everything is set up, tap Add, and your social media time limit is now active. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.